which foods should parents include to provide optimal nutrition for strong teeth?
The main one is calcium. Milk is good for teeth. And it's not just milk, though. So you want to include high calcium foods, but you don't need to include just dairy. So obviously things like cheese and milk itself and yogurt is going to have a lot of calcium in them. But there are other foods that are very calcium rich as well. Anything dark, leafy, green vegetable like broccoli, spinach, almonds, tofu, and salmon has calcium in it. And if you're avoiding dairy, I always tell people just really pay attention to the labels on what you're replacing that with. So if you're having dairy-free yogurt, if you're having milk replacements, cheese replacements, just take a look and see that you're not buying things that don't have calcium in them, especially the coconut-based dairy alternatives. A lot of that doesn't have the calcium that you find in other ones. Vitamin C is also really important for teeth development and health. Fruits that are crunchy tend to be better for teeth, like apples and pears. Strawberries are good as well. Those are like the lower sugar fruits.
Wonderful. Thank you for that.